Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into something truly special for any shooting enthusiast. The Ruger Precision Rifle. If you've ever dreamed of pinpoint accuracy, incredible versatility, and a rifle that feels like an extension of yourself, then you're in for a treat. This isn't just another rifle. It's a meticulously engineered platform designed to elevate your shooting experience to an entirely new level. What makes the Ruger Precision Rifle so awesome? It starts with its core design philosophy, precision. Ruger has poured years of innovation and practical field experience into creating a rifle that consistently delivers exceptional accuracy, shot after shot. This isn't achieved by accident. It's the result of a robust, multi-point locking system that securely seats the action, minimizing any flex or movement that could compromise your aim. The barrel, often a free-floated design, is engineered for optimal harmonics, ensuring that the bullet leaves the muzzle with the least amount of disturbance possible. This translates directly into tighter groups on the target, which is, let's be honest, incredibly satisfying. But the awesomeness doesn't stop at inherent accuracy. The Ruger Precision Rifle is built for adaptability. It features an adjustable length of pull and cone height, allowing you to perfectly tailor the stock to your unique physique and shooting style. This personalized fit is crucial for consistent, cheek weld and a stable shooting platform, especially during those longer shooting sessions or when you're adapting to different shooting positions. The chassis system, often constructed from durable aluminum, provides a rigid and stable foundation for the entire rifle, further contributing to its accuracy potential. Furthermore, the Ruger Precision Rifle embraces modularity. Many models come with an AR-style grip and safety selector, offering familiar ergonomics for those accustomed to modern sporting rifles. The ability to easily swap out magazines, often utilizing readily available AIS pattern magazines, adds a layer of convenience and ensures you can keep rounds on target without fumbling. This thoughtful integration of user-friendly features makes the rifle not only a joy to shoot but also incredibly practical for a variety of applications. From competitive shooting to precision hunting, let's talk about the trigger. A crisp, clean trigger pull is paramount for precision shooting, and the Ruger Precision Rifle does it as a pro. Many models feature an adjustable Ruger Marksman adjustable TM trigger, allowing you to fine-tune the pull weight to your exact preference. This level of control over your trigger brake can significantly improve your accuracy by reducing the chance of disturbing your sight. Picture as you squeeze the shot. The engineering behind this rifle is truly impressive. It's designed to be a platform that grows with you as your skills develop and your shooting disciplines evolve. The Ruger Precision Rifle can adapt. Whether you're looking to get into long-range shooting, precision bench rest, or simply want a rifle that will consistently impress you with its performance, this is a serious contender. It's a testament to Ruger's commitment to quality and their understanding of what serious shooters demand. Owning a Ruger Precision Rifle is about more than just having a firearm. It's about investing in a tool that empowers you to achieve your best. It's about the quiet confidence that comes from knowing your rifle is capable of extraordinary accuracy. It's about the thrill of seeing your shots land exactly where you intended, time after time. This rifle is a fantastic choice for anyone who values precision, adaptability, and a truly rewarding shooting experience. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the incredible Ruger Precision Rifle. I hope this has given you a deeper appreciation for what makes this rifle so awesome. If you found this helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Until next time, happy shooting.